So today again we are going to cover date function, right? So you all will watch it carefully and understand it. And if you have any problem, then please ask me, right? So let's start the date function. What is there in date function? It's showing आज का डेट आपको देखना है तो what you will do? You will simply type over here equal today and then sign of function. ये function का sign होता है. Then see you are able to print the मैं दोबारा एक बार दिखाता हूँ आपको today is which date? What is the date today? क्या डेट है आज?
28. 28.
28, right?
28.
28, right? And I think you people got your timetable yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
be ready for your unit test, right? Because your unit test this time it will finish in what?
9:30 to 10:30.
Yes, right. So you have to be very careful, right? The same, like you can say Microsoft Excel, and before Excel, which lesson is there?
Internet.
Internet.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these two lessons will be your portion. Okay. Internet and Microsoft Excel 2010. Right.
Okay,
It will
sir.
be your portion. So everyone note down. Your portion will be what is the portion?
Chapter 2 and 3.
Knowing your portion. Right. So what are the portion? Tell me again.
Chapter 2 and 3. Internet.
Lesson 2 and 3. Right. Lesson 2 and 3 will be your portion. That is your internet and what?
Microsoft
इंटरनेट
2010.
एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल राइट ये आपका पोर्शन होगा तो इसका आपको अच्छे से जो बुक के कंटेंट दिए हैं राइट बुक एक्सरसाइज बुक फिल इन द ब्लैंक राइट ओके you all will ready all the things for this exam okay
Okay, sir.
so let's start the topic now okay month find out today
July.
seventh one. Right. Now, if you want to find out name of the month, then what you will do? Then you will write here text equal text and in bracket you will write today, comma, let's see. Yes, there is one. It should be like this. Right. Now you are getting na. Now you are getting month
Yes.
name. Right. Now you're getting month name. If you want to find out today's date, Then what is formula for that? Text today, date, right? So
Yes,
here you
sir.
will write text in this one, text. Here you will write today, date. Right? See, what is date today?
28th. 28th July.
No, no, day.
Wednesday.
Yeah,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, right? So you are getting Wednesday over here. Okay. So like this, we can find out and use it. Right? So we have by that we also equal day and then today. See, what is the day today? Today is 28. Understand?
Yes.
So, like this, we can find out our date, month, year आपको find out करना है, then you can find out year also. Right? Let's try year equal year, and here we will be today. Then you are able to see today
Yes.
is which year? 2021, 2021, right? It
Yes,
is
sir.
coming up. Now, if you want to find out year name, or you can say year name that टेक्स्ट में देखते हैं ईयर नेम क्या आता है नेक्स्ट लेट्स ट्राई इट आई एम नॉट श्योर इट विल कम कॉमा just like this okay in text it is not coming no problem you are able to understand it now na this
Yes.
can come in this way year hai that is also coming in the way which by which way we are finding it understand now we are going on the next formula that is your what is written over here
Logical function.
yes logical function right it is given this category of function introduce decision making in excel right जहां आपको decision कोई लेना होगा there you will use logical formula right like true and false okay the condition are passed as argument and the result are returned as true and false based on the satisfaction on the criteria. Let's learn about the if function. If function hai, we are talking about that. If function. The if function return the value if the condition you inserted turns out to be true and another if the condition turns out to be false. Right? Your result is according to the condition. If it is true, then it will print true. If it is false, then it will print false. See, it is given by the syntax of if function is if logical underscore test comma true action comma false action. Right? Here, logical text. This is any value or expression that can either be true or false. True action. This is the value that should be returned if logical test is true. False action. This is the value that should be returned if logical text is false. For example, if Sumit scored more than 80% marks, he will get a bicycle. But if he scored less than that, then he will get a chocolate, right? So अगर हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक शीट बनाते हैं, in one sheet we will make name and marks, right? Suppose I have written here Aman 90%, right? And there is Ananya, she is also getting suppose 90, right? Ria is there, suppose she is getting 91. Okay, it is just example, don't mind it. Okay, now I am going to give here condition. यहाँ हमको condition देनी है. So what condition we will give? Equal if, right, and if inside if what is given 90 comma what is formula over there? Action true now. Yes, comma what is whatever it like I wanted to give them, right? Suppose I wanted to give them copy, not bicycle. And the next I will want to give them pen. ओके, अब हम लोग चेक करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलने वाला है? कॉपी, राइट? इफ यू विल सी हियर, देन व्हाट हियर he will get? You will also get copy. And here, so the people who are getting 90%, they will get copy, right? So it is use of our कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट और लॉजिकल फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, लॉजिकल फॉर्मूला अगर इसको हम लोग क्या कर देते हैं, इसको हम लोग 50 कर देते हैं. देन सी व्हाट इज कमिंग ओवर हियर. वन मिनट. यस, सी इट इज नाउ इट इज शोइंग फॉल्स because it is not validating it, right? Means I have given here it is not validating it, that's why it is coming false, right? Because it should be 90. अगर 90 से कम है तो वो आपको डायरेक्टली false दिखा देगा, right? वहाँ पे false में आपको क्या मिलेगा? There you will get pen. Understand? That's why it is coming like this. अभी आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Now we will move further, right? So who will get? Here we have not used, I think, greater than sign. Let's use it. If here we have given B1 or B2 is greater than 90, then there will be copy. अगर 90 से बड़ा है तो कॉपी मिलेगा, नहीं तो पेन मिलेगी. देखिए तो क्या आ गया, यहाँ पे कंडीशन में डाल दिया इफ ग्रेटर देन ही विल गेट कॉपी. So 91 is greater, that's why it is getting copy. Understand? And rest of them are getting pen. So it is total of your logical. It is your logical formula, right? Now there is formula.